Today I've got a game changer that will completely transform the way you think about content creation. Imagine being able to produce engaging content effortlessly and consistently. But first, let's play a short from the most viral niche.
Have stinky feet or have stinky breath? Live in a gas station bathroom or live in a dumpster? Get $100 or get this mystery gift, revealed at the end of this video. Be young but broke or be old but rich.
Got your answer? Great. Now let's dive into the magic behind these viral sensations. The creators of this content have built an entire empire around questions like these, and today, I'm going to reveal how they do it. It's simpler than you might think, and you can start applying these strategies right away. Meet Would Use, a channel that's just 1 year old and already rocking a massive 465K subscribers with only 26 shorts. That's right, just 26 shorts have brought them this incredible success. Not only are they crushing it, but they're doing it with incredible efficiency. So, what's their secret? How are they able to produce such high-quality content so quickly? And, as a bonus, I'll also show you how to apply this secret to your own content and start earning passive income streams. Imagine the possibilities of having a steady stream of income while you focus on other projects. But first, let's reveal the secret. Are you ready for it? It's Vesuve, a powerful AI tool that helps you create engaging content faster than ever before. And the best part? It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're not tech-savvy. You can start right away. No need for extensive training or a steep learning curve. Just use the link and promo code in the description below to snag an exclusive 60% discount. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. Yes, you heard that right. 60% off. This is your chance to get started with Vesuve at a fraction of the cost. Now let me show you how easy it is to use Vesuve to create your own Would You Rather shorts. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can produce high-quality content. Hit to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome content, exclusive discounts on AI tools, and more game-changing secrets.
Once you've logged in via the link in the description, follow these simple steps. Choose the Would You Rather option, which uses a familiar template inspired by a popular format. Create questions either by typing them manually or using the Generate Questions tool, which provides a list of engaging Would You Rather options, along with simulated response percentages. Feel free to adjust the percentages to suit your needs, as they're fictional and fully customizable. Tailor the questions to fit your style, and consider making the first question particularly compelling to grab your audience's attention. Let's play the video created by us.
Marry your sister, or be single forever. Be the center of the attention, or be unnoticed. Never get tired, or never get hungry. Be skinny, or be fatty. Have bad eyesight, or have bad hearing. Be ugly, or be homeless.
And remember, with Vesuve, the only thing you'll be sacrificing is your free time. Just kidding. You'll actually be saving time and effort. And now, here's your bonus tip. Use Vesuve to create a series of Would You Rather shorts tailored to popular niches like fitness, tech, or personal finance. This will help you tap into specific audiences and increase engagement. Then promote affiliate products within those shorts. This is a great way to monetize your content and add value to your audience. The more targeted and engaging your content, the higher your chances of earning big commissions. It's all about providing value and connecting with your audience. Watch as the views and your income start to roll in. Cha-ching! It's a rewarding feeling to see your hard work pay off. Ready to start building your own passive income streams? The time to act is now. Click the link below, use the promo code, and unlock the door to AI automation success today. Your journey to passive income and content creation success starts here. Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to us. If you've made it this far, congrats. You now know the secret to creating passive income streams like Would Use. You're well on your way to achieving your goals.